Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Lal Public School. We are here with class 7, chapter 3, The Inexperienced Ghost. The Inexperienced Ghost is a story adapted from the book The Inexperienced Ghost by H.G. Wells. This is a small part of that whole story, and we are going to see how a man narrates his experience with an encounter with a ghost. There's this man who encounters a ghost and he experiences the whole thing and then narrates the whole experience to his friends. Now we have to see whether his friends believe it or not, whether he's lying or he's telling the truth. So all this kind of thing is going to go on here. Okay. We met that Saturday at the club. Clayton had slept there overnight. Clayton said, "Do you know I was alone here last night? Well, I caught a ghost." "Caught a ghost? Did you?" said Sanderson. "Where is it?" And Ivan shouted, "Tell us about it right now." "I don't think it will come again ever," said Clayton. "You mean you didn't keep it?" asked Sanderson. We laughed and Clayton looked offended. It really was a ghost. I'm not joking. You talked to it, asked Wish. Okay, so this is an experience which a person is sharing with all his friends. He's giving up his experience to his friends. We met that Saturday at the club. That these people are saying that we met at the club. One thing which you need to keep in mind is that when the first letter or the first word of the chapter starts with a pronoun which is in the first person, you need to understand that the story is in narrative form. जो पूरा story है वो narrative form में चल रहा है, मतलब the writer are actually narrating their whole experiences. वो खुद अपनी पूरी बात जो बता रहे हैं. A third person is not talking. पूरी जो story है वो first person में चलेगी. ठीक है? Clayton had slept there overnight. Okay, they are saying that we all the friends met at a club that Saturday, and Clayton had slept there only the whole night. वो जो पूरी रात है क्लेटन जो है उसने उस क्लब के अंदर ही स्पेंड किया था. Clayton said, "Do you know I was alone here last night? Well, I caught a ghost." So Clayton comes up and tells his story that you know that I was here alone last night. कल रात को मैं यहाँ बिल्कुल अकेला था and I caught a ghost. I met a ghost. I saw a ghost or I experienced a meeting with a ghost. Caught a ghost? Did you? Said Sanderson. Where is it? Then Sanderson is asking, "Acha, you caught a ghost? Sachi? Where is it?" And Ivan shouted, "Tell us about it right now." Ivan is very excited about this whole scenario after listening the heading of the story, and he's telling that tell us the whole story right now. "I don't think it will come again ever," said Clayton. Clayton is saying that I don't think so. It is going to come back ever. So I don't know much about it. "You mean you didn't keep it?" asked Sanderson. Sanderson is now trying to mimic Clayton. क्लेटन की जो है वो मजाक उड़ाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं सैंडरसन. ठीक है, व्हाट इज सेइंग कि अच्छा यू मीन यू डिडंट कीप इट, यू कॉट अ घोस्ट, तुमने भूत को पकड़ा एंड उसके बाद में तुमने उसको रखा भी नहीं, तुमने उसको जाने दिया. दिस इज नॉट डन. So he's trying to make fun of Clayton. We laughed and Clayton looked offended. ठीक है, everybody is laughing on Sanderson's joke, but Clayton was offended by it. ये कौन सा तरीका हो मुझसे बात करने का, making fun of me or something. ठीक है. "It really was a ghost. I'm not joking." So he's very serious and he looks offended, and then he's saying that it really was a ghost. Okay, मैं कोई मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I'm not joking or something. It was really a ghost. "You talked to it?" asked Wish. Now Wish is somebody who's very sensitive towards whole of this thing, and he's asking, "You talked to it? तुमने उससे बात भी करी थी?" ठीक है. "For an hour I saw him in the long passage. He was transparent, and through his chest I could see the glimmer of the little window at the end. He looked as though he didn't know what he was meant to do. He was lean. He had a small hat with scrubby hair and narrow shoulders. His short jacket had turned down collar, and the trousers were a little frayed at the heels. I saw him as I came up." Okay, so he is giving in the whole description. Where did it see it? How did the ghost look and everything. तो पूरा उसको description दे रहे हैं कि कहाँ देखा था, ghost जो है वो दिखने में कैसा था. Everything is been explained here. He's saying that for an hour, that he was there. He talked na. He asked Vish asked na that you talk to it. So he is replying for an hour. कि तुमने उससे बात करी थी तो वो कह रहा है कि हाँ I talked to him for an hour. I saw him in the long passage. उसने उसको first time कहाँ पे देखा? In the long passage, the long corridor of that particular club. He was transparent, and through his chest I could see the glimmer of the little window at the end. He was transparent. I hope everybody knows what transparent means. Transparent means something which you can see through. जिस चीज के through आप देख सकते हो उसको transparent कहते हैं. जैसे a glass, water, not a lot of water, but if there's little quantity of water, then that is transparent. Air is transparent, net is transparent. जिस चीज के through आप देख सकते हो उसको transparent कहते हैं. And through his chest I could see the glimmer of the little window. That he was there, but he was transparent. And through his chest, उसके chest के through I could see the glimmer at the little window at the end. There was a little window at the end of that passage, and he could see the window through his chest, and it had a little glimmer. Glimmer means a small light which is flickering. ऐसे हिल रही जो light होती है उसको glimmer कहते हैं. ठीक है? He looked as though he didn't know what he was meant to do. That when looking at the ghost, I felt as if he didn't even knew what he had to do. उसको समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था कि उसको करना क्या. He was lean, means he was on a very skinny side, very thin, very light on the body. ठीक है? He had a small head with a scrubby hair and narrow shoulders. He had a very small head, means he was not a very bulky kind of a person. बहुत छोटा फिजिक का या बहुत weak physique का घोस्ट था वो. ठीक है? He had a small head with scrubby hair. Scrubby means a very short. छोटे hairs he had, and narrow shoulders. His shoulders were very narrow. I told you before only that he had a very weak physique, so shoulders being narrow was very obvious. ठीक है? His short jacket had turned down collars. ठीक है? His short jacket, he was wearing a short jacket, and that had turn down collars. Turn down collars is when you're wearing a formal shirt and you're putting your collars on it. Means the jacket is having your collars also out. This was a style which was considered formal in 1900s something. ठीक है? आपने शर्ट पहना है, शर्ट के ऊपर जैकेट पहना, और आपके शर्ट का जो कॉलर है वो जैकेट के ऊपर आएगा. ठीक है? That was the way it used to be. ठीक है? The trousers were little frayed at the heels. The trouser, his pants near the heels were almost torn. Frayed means which are almost torn. I saw him as I came up. He saw Clayton saw the ghost when he was climbing up, and he suddenly saw him. I stopped dead at that. Taking him in, I wasn't a bit afraid. I was surprised and interested. He stopped dead at that. Means as soon as he saw the ghost, he stopped as a dead person. Stopped as dead means when you do not move after stopping. If you see a dead person, can a dead person move? It cannot. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे जब भी आएगा stopped dead or stay dead, that means that you're not moving at all. कोई भी टाइप का मूवमेंट जो है वो आपकी बॉडी में नहीं हो रहा है. Taking him in, मतलब as soon as I saw him or I synced in that I have seen a ghost, I stopped dead. I was so shocked at that time. I wasn't a bit afraid. मुझे डर बिल्कुल भी नहीं लग रहा था. He was not scared. He was not frightened of it, but he was surprised and interested. He was very surprised. It was kind of a shock to him to suddenly see a ghost or something, and he was also interested in all those things. He was interested. Okay, I've seen a ghost. Now, what do I react? What do I do? That kind of a feeling was going on in his mind. I suppose he realized I was there. Suddenly, he's saying that I suppose he realized I was there. उसको जो the ghost realized, or ghost को ऐसे पता लगा that somebody is nearby me, and he was like, okay. He turned, and I saw the face of a young man. He turned towards Clayton, and Clayton saw the face of a young man. Means the ghost or the person who has died and become a ghost was not at a very old age when he passed away. He was a very young aged person. We stood and regarded one another. They stood there and both are regarding each other, means both are looking at each other, trying to understand the whole scenario. Then he turned around, drew himself up, raised his arms and came towards me. Then he suddenly turned around. Udhar, matlab, he was once facing Clayton, then he turned the other side, drew himself up, अपने आप को ऐसे gather किया, अपने आप को पूरा condition समझने की कोशिश करी, raised his arm and came towards me. He raised his arms up से हाथ hands up किए और came towards Clayton. His little jaw jawed and emitted a faint, drawn out boo. ठीक है, उसका जो छोटा सा मुंह था, that small thing, that jaw dropped, means he opened his mouth and emitted a faint, very slow, very light, drawn out, जबरदस्ती खींचा हुआ boo. When we were kids, we used to scare people ना boo. वैसे उसने उसको डराने की कोशिश करी. I was not frightened. Boo, I said, nonsense. You don't belong here. What are you doing? He was not frightened at all with that kind of a boo, and like, boo, what nonsense, you don't belong here. ने उसको बू किया तो उसका मजाक उड़ाता हुआ कहता है बू, क्या बकवास कर रही है, कोई बू तरीका है डराने का. Don't belong here, what are you doing? That you do not belong here, you are a ghost, you should not stay on the earth, what are you doing here? ठीक है. He moved a little and said, I'm a ghost. Then confused and awkward, I'm haunting, he said. So the ghost is himself confused and very scared that what I have to do. He moved a little when he said this way. He got a bit conscious and then वो अपने आप को ऐसे settle in कर रहा है और उसके बाद में बोल रहा है I'm a ghost. मैं एक भूत हूँ. Then he was again confused and awkward when Clayton didn't react and he's like I'm haunting. कि मैं इस जगह को haunt करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, मैं यहाँ पे किसी को डराने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. That may be, but you can't haunt here. This is a club. People often stay here with children. Some poor little child could be scared out of her wits. I suppose you didn't think of that. ठीक है? तो Clayton is saying कि हाँ वो हो सकता है. You're a ghost. You're trying to haunt. That is very fine, no problem. But you cannot haunt here. तुम यहाँ पे जो है वो भटक नहीं सकते हो. This is a club. ये club है. People often stay here with children. लोग जो है वो बहुत बार they come with their children and then stay here. अपने छोटे छोटे बच्चों के साथ में आते हैं. Some poor little child or some little child will get so scared by seeing you. ठीक है, and then it's asking, I suppose you didn't think of that. You didn't think of all these things that okay, this is a child might come and get very much scared of me, and this is not the way I should behave. So Clayton has started scolding the poor ghost. No, sir, he said, I didn't. So he's very respectful towards Clayton, and he's like, no, sir. I'm sorry, I didn't think anything of that sort. I didn't even imagine that there might be kids here and they might get scared by me. Coming here was a mistake, I said, in a tone of friendly superiority. If I were you, I'd vanish right away. Then he's saying that coming here was a mistake. Clayton is telling the ghost that yes, coming here was a big mistake you did. Okay, in a tone of friendly superiority. Now Clayton is trying to be friendly also with the ghost and also trying to show a sense of superiority. उसको ये भी बताने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि you are a ghost, I'm a person. मैं तुमसे बड़ा हूँ या मैं तुमसे महान हूँ, I'm superior to you. ये भी उसको एहसास दिलाने की या ये भी उसको फील करवाने की जो पूरी कोशिश है वो Clayton कर रहा है. And then he's saying that if I were you, अगर if I would have been in your place, I'd have vanished right away. I would have gone from here right away. Thinking that I would scare some child or something, I would never have stayed here, kind of a thing Clayton is saying. He looked embarrassed. He was very embarrassed at that thought. He was very, उसको मतलब बहुत ऐसे शर्म आ रही थी कि अरे I've done something such stupid thing I have done and I should be really ashamed of myself, kind of feeling he's getting. The fact is, sir, that somehow I can't. So he's replying that actually the problem is that, sir, somehow I don't know how, but I can't vanish from here. वो कह रहा है कि पता नहीं क्यों लेकिन समझ में नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन something is the problem. I cannot vanish from here. I cannot go from here. ठीक है? You can't. Clayton is very surprised at his reaction and he's like, you can't, नहीं जा सकते. What is it? No, sir. I have been here since midnight. There's some little thing that has slipped me and I can't get back. So he's saying, no, sir. I'm here from the midnight. I'm here from night 12 o'clock, but there is something that has to be in my mind, but that slipped away. मतलब कुछ तो भी है जो मैं भूल गया हूँ and I cannot get back. Until unless I remember that thing, I cannot get back. He's saying this thing. कुछ भूल गया हूँ मैं और जब तक अब वो याद नहीं आएगा मैं यहाँ से वापस जा नहीं सकता. Come into my room and tell me more about it, I said, and I tried to take him by the arm. See, he's telling the Akacha, do one thing, come into my room and then tell me more about it. And he tried to hold his arm and take him inside his room. Okay? But of course, you might as well have tried to take hold of a puff of smoke. Okay, but of course, लेकिन वही हुआ जो होना था. You might have also have tried to, catch or hold smoke someday. When we were kids, I don't know. But when we were kids, there used to be these incense sticks. अगरबत्तियां जो थी उसमें से जो धुआं निकलता था, तो we used to try to catch it. And it never used to come in the hand. Same thing has happened with Clayton. He tried to catch that ghost by his arm and take him in, but he could not. He could not even touch him because he was a ghost. Here we are, I said, and sat down in the chair in my room. He went into his room and he was like, okay, here we are. We have come into the room. Now, tell me. And he sat down on the chair. He came into his room and with the superiority, he's sitting there and he's telling that now tell me about it. What is your problem? Why cannot you go back? Why are you here? And all these things. Clayton is ready to listen to the whole story of the ghost now. He said he'd prefer to flit up and down on the room if it was all the same to me. The ghost said that I would prefer that I keep on flitting. Flitting means to sometimes move up and then sometimes down and not staying somewhere. जो भूत है वो ये कह रहा है कि that I cannot sit at some place. Just let me move up and down, go to the ceiling, come back to the ground, left, right. Let me do this. If that is all same to me, means if Clayton is okay with that, so the ghost is really well mannered. He's asking the owner of the room that if you don't have a problem with my flitting up and down or my moving here and there, I hope it's okay for you and I can do that thing. There he was, semi-transparent, noiseless except for the ghost of a voice of his ghost of a voice. Okay, there he was semi-transparent. You could see through him. Okay, noiseless. He was a ghost and he was noiseless except for his ghost of a voice. Just the one fact that made him feel like a ghost was then when he used to speak, that ghost voice used to come out, and that was also not very scary. Flitting to and fro in that nice clean old bedroom. And then he's flitting all up and down there and there in that nice clean old bedroom. He's roaming here and there. He cannot just stay still, some kind of thing. You could see the gleam of the copper candlesticks through him. And there he was telling me about his life that had recently ended on earth. And he could very easily see through the ghost. ये हमने पहले भी बात करी थी that the ghost was transparent. And they could see those copper candlesticks. There candles पड़े थे वो आराम से देख सकते थे. And the ghost was telling Clayton about his life, how he has ended on earth recently only. It's not been very long since he has come to the earth. And where are you now? I asked. Not in. So he's asking them, and where are you now? Where do you stay? Not in. He's very. He was confused to ask him that where do you ask him that where do you stay? Earth or somewhere else? No. He wasn't here at all. Whenever he was, they seemed to think wanting a tremendous adventure, and so he had come. So that he wasn't clear at all. He's talking to some third person who probably was a ghost with him, and say that we don't know actually where we stayed. Wherever he was, jahan pe bhi wo tha, they all seemed to think wanting a tremendous adventure. Wherever he was, all the people around him thought that hunting was a very tremendous adventurous, and so he had come. So he also believed that hunting was a very nice adventure and it would be a lot of fun. So he also came along with them. because he also wanted to have this fun of haunting. The mess he had made of haunting had saddened him terribly, and the mess he has made of haunting, he wanted to haunt, but जो भी mess उसने create किया या जो भी problem उसने create करी है, ठीक है, that had made him sad, that had saddened him terribly. उससे उसको बहुत ज़्यादा जो दुख है और तकलीफ है जो हो रही थी. He had expected it to be fun. He expected that haunting is going to be fun. I got up briskly. Then he got up briskly. Don't brood on these things too much. Don't think about all these things too much. I said you have got to pull yourself together and try. He did. So the ghost is getting very sad that I am not able to, haunt. I thought it is going to be a lot of fun, but it was not that much fun. So Clayton is trying to tell him that okay, it's okay, don't worry about it. Things will be better. इस टाइप से जो क्लेटन है वो उसको समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि तुम इतना बुरा मत कम अप टुगेदर, he's trying to motivate him, that he's trying to encourage him that don't worry, try harder and you'll be able to do what you're trying to do and all these things. So Clayton is actually being very nice to this particular ghost who's very sad in his ghost life. Okay, that was it for today. The rest of the chapter we are going to take tomorrow. Thank you.